afternoon viewers. Today we'll explain about the course which name is Taseer Acrobiosperm Grow Recommended course offered by Taseer Dawakhana Private Limited. This course is prepared for the male infertility patients to cure their disease. By using this course, patients will recover their male infertility problems in few months. In today's program, I will brief you what is Taseer Acrobiosperm Grow Recommended course and how it can cure the disease male infertility. Why male infertility happens, its symptoms and reasons of this disease, indications, male infertility types, complete detail about sperm quality and quantity. Infection or inflammation causing issue with sperm production, damage to sperm ducts making transportation of sperm a problem. The organ where the testicles get twisted around inside thus causing swelling and blockage. Erectile dysfunction where the male is unable to get and maintain an erection. Undescended testicles causing sperm production problem. Varicocele or enlargement in the genital region. Ejaculatory impotence where the male can't ejaculate during coitus but can during masturbation. Premature ejaculation where an erection can't be sustained for more than 30 seconds. Delayed ejaculation where ejaculation occurs really late or doesn't happen at all during sexual intercourse. Lifestyle problems like drug abuse, drinking, smoking and addiction can cause sperm production problems. Retrograde ejaculation where semen passes back into the bladder instead of out through the penis during orgasm. Hormonal imbalance leading to low level of sperm production. Pterospermia, abnormal sperm shape causing fertility issue. Oligospermia, sperm count is too low to get partner pregnant. Asthenospermia, poor sperm quality causing inability to conceive. Exposure to radiation can diminish sperm count. Stress and obesity, that there are literally dozens of factors leading to a complete normal spermatozoon, the form of sperms that is present in semen. These involve the structure of the testes, the hormones that influence its function, the receptors of these hormones, the maturation process through which the germ cell develop into a spermatozoa, the composition of the seminal plasma and all the enzymes, receptors and reactions that make the sperm capable of fertilize the egg. In these steps, there are dozens of occasions for mistake and problem. Indications. If you have been trying to conceive for more than a year, there is a chance that something may be interfering with your efforts. To have a child, infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is the inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases, male have infertility problem. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common causes of male infertility include abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, condition related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and overexposure to certain environmental elements. Type of testicle disease. Viewers, semen produced in testicles. Testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle disease: hydrocele and varicocele. A hydrocele is the type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheet surrounding a testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborn and usually disappear without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. Second, varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the within the loose bag of skin that hold your testicles. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicocele are a common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. Sperm diseases: azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia. Viewers, azoospermia is the medical condition of a man whose semen contains no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes pus in semen, blood in semen, or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Oligospermia, this is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to get and maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at orgasm. Sperm count when you ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count between 200 to 600 millions. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormones level. Necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of live and very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed by semen lysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. The Cerebrovia Sperm Grow recommended course has some special purpose. Those quality is to achieve the gain of centimeters in penis length and especially the gain to help get your confidence and sexually satisfying experience, which is especially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation duration problem, stiffness land and with problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extract. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer Acrobian Sperm Grow recommended course by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Taseer Dawakhana work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Taseer Acrobian Sperm Grow recommended course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer Acrobian Sperm Grow recommended course cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus and infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection and start producing sperm where person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. The Acrobian Sperm Grow recommended course is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Precautions. During the treatment, you should follow these precautions for better result of treatment. Don't go for sex during the treatment. Use fish, egg, milk, butter, honey, dates, lemon, garlic, pumpkin, radish, carrot and dry fruits in your diet. Try to eat meat on daily basis. Abstain from the rice, oily foods, stratos, bakery foods and junk food. Limit or abstain from alcohol and smoking. Avoid things that lead to prolonged heat for the testicles. Keep the weight off. Steer clear of illicit drugs. So viewers, I have briefly explained the male infertility in my video. If you or your known person have this problem, so you can visit to our clinic or can call us in our office time, which are 9 am to 8 pm and discuss your problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.